Hi guys, welcome to Issues Tiny Kingdom. In this video, I'll be doing a review for a learning machine I had purchased from Amazon. So this is a kid's laptop. It says it has 65 activities. So let's see what's inside. So here they have given all the activities. I hope you guys can see it. There is heading and there are the subcategories mentioned. So you have letters, words, games, mathematics like learning numbers, counting, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, equation, etc. And then you have music, logical and memory games, and a few tools like painting board, calculator, clock, etc. So let's see inside. So there's they have also given a mouse which you can use along with it, or you can just use the keyboard itself. So look wise it looks pretty okay. It comes in two colors, that is blue and pink. So I have taken the blue one. Here they have mentioned all the activities. Based on the numbers you can choose which activity you want to do. And the screen size is pretty small, but there's no complaining because most of the kids laptops come in this size itself. One flaw which I found is the screen is kind of loose. It's kind of falling off. I don't know if the defect is in this particular product or all the products are the similar manner. But one good thing is, if you see, the screen is going till back, so that is kind of good because when a toddler handles it, it becomes easier. So they have given the power button here in the keyboard itself.
Choose an activity.
So you guys can see it comes in black and white itself. That is not very catchy. I don't know if a toddler will actually find it very interesting or not. And so I'm going to choose an activity here. That is the first activity, 01. So here you have learning letters. So I'm going to press an alphabet, and they have shown the capital and the small letter, and it tells out aloud.
Press the button.
So let's try another one. Learning words.
Press the button.
So they're asking me to press a button. Yeah, so when you press an alphabet, you're gonna get a word based on that alphabet. And the picture is also there. Okay, that's good. And then you have mathematics. Let's check out.
Press choose an activity. Press the button. Choose.
So it says 2 and the number of objects also are given.
Choose an activity.
Let's check out addition. So that's based on level. So they're asking 0 plus 7. So let me give 7.
Great.
Okay.
What's the answer?
So let me just give a wrong answer.
Incorrect.
Okay, that shows incorrect. So that's pretty good. And
choose an activity.
So I guess you guys have heard the sound quality as well. That sound quality is pretty good. It's loud enough. So the activities, there are many, and so there is learning as well, but then will the kids be interested to learn from it is a question mark, because I don't see it to be that attractive to kids because of the screen size and the black and white images, which I feel will get the kids bored if they are used to watching TV and mobile phones. Then I think it won't make them interested for a long time. So yeah, I hope you guys can take a decision based on this. Thank you so much.